day everyone. Today I'll be explaining the legal frameworks that governs discipline in South African schools. And I'll also be explaining why it is essential for educators to act within these legal boundaries at all times. As we discuss this topic in this video, we have to take a look at the available legislations or statutes that are available in South Africa. But today we'll only be focusing on the South African Schools Act 84 of 1996 as well as the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Firstly, the South African Schools Act 84 of 1996 provides a foundation for discipline in South African schools. In Section 8, Subsection 1, this act states that all schools in South Africa are required to have and implement a code of conduct for learners. This code of conduct serves several important purposes. Firstly, it outlines acceptable and unacceptable behaviors from learners, also establishes all rules for all learners in school, as well as specify fair and appropriate consequences for all misconduct. With this code of conduct in place, it is ensured that discipline is only applied as a structured, transparent, and consistent manner instead of something that is done through emotion or judgment. In addition, Section 10, Subsection 1 of this Act also states that corporal punishment is absolutely prohibited in South African schools. What this means is that any form of physical punishment, including hitting or any action that is intended to cause physical harm to learners, is illegal. All educators acting in these kind of practices are not only being unprofessional but are also violating the law as well as the learners' rights. Now we take a look at the Constitution of Republic of South Africa. Now, this legislation is a supreme law in our country and it plays a crucial role in schools discipline. It guarantees that fundamental rights of learners are upheld in all educational settings. First example, all learners have a right to dignity, which means that all learners must be treated with respect and should not be humiliated, degraded, or abused in any way. Secondly, learners have a right to equality, which simply means that all learners must be treated fair and should not be discriminated based on their race, gender, or any other aspect that may play a role in this issue. These rights place a legal and ethical obligation on all educators to ensure that their disciplinary measures are within these legal principles and are not only effective but as well as just and respectful to learners. In the closing of this presentation, the legal framework guided by these two legislations or statutes, they ensure that discipline in schools is not only something that deals with maintaining behavior, but is also fair and does not violate the rights of the learners. So educators must always make sure that their disciplinary measures align with these legal principles to ensure order and professionalism in classroom or educational settings. With this, I hope that you have learned something from this video and I thank you for watching.